Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
A Dragonfire Tools tool storage system, of course, starts with their amazing workbenches. But Lou, how can I expand beyond this and make an even bigger system?
So as you can see above our 7-foot workbench here, we have 3 wall cabinets, and those 3 wall cabinets are the exact same length as our 7-foot workbench. New for this year, we have a lower corner cabinet and an upper corner cabinet, and this allows you to be able to have workbenches down 2 walls in an L formation. And as you can see inside of this cabinet, we've got a couple of different features. We have a fully welded shelf in here. We have soft close hinges for the doors, and we also have magnetic closures at the top of the doors.
And it's super tough. How much can this support?
This will support up to 200 pounds inside this cabinet.
And how about the upper wall cabinets? Have an adjustable shelf in them, right?
Yes, our upper wall cabinets have a fully adjustable shelf. You can set it to whatever height you want, and the same soft close hinges and magnetic door closures.
And I like this big boy over here. This is the locker style cabinet here. Tell me what's going on inside.
So with this locker style cabinet, we have a fully welded shelf up top, and then we have 3 fully adjustable shelves on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have a clothes hanger in there for coveralls or work gear, and then this space also doubles to be able to store taller tools in also.
They have a trillion bajillion combinations at DragonfireTools.com. There's also a discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Code Motorhead is going to get you free shipping and a discount.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
Just unpacking our roadside kit here with our Magic Creeper. Of course, you get the classic Magic Creeper, the original Magic Creeper in the kit. Along with it, you get some tools to keep you safe on the side of the road and to help you make some fixes if you need to. We've got the reflector here. This is just some of the stuff in the kit. Flashlights, of course, you can see at night. The emergency rain poncho. We've already told you the Magic Creeper keeps you clean and dry, keeps you up out of the mud. Well, if it's raining, then the emergency poncho will come in handy. Then you can stay dry while you make those fixes. And of course, the thing you'll probably use most, bungee cords and zip ties to make some emergency roadside kits. Even got the dynamo flashlight. And we have a pair of gloves that's going to keep your hands dry and clean. And we've always told you can clean the Magic Creeper with no problem with your favorite solution. But you know, when you finish on the side of the road, it's going to be covered in mud, might be covered in dirt, who knows what. Well, guess what? Now we have the new Magic Cleaner wipes. You can take these with you, maybe put a couple in the glove compartment, and that's all you need. You can use this to clean your Magic Creeper. You can use it on the run, any place you go, wipe down your tools, and it even cuts through grease. So if you have some stuck parts or anything you need to unscrew or unbolt, the Magic Cleaner wipes are the perfect thing. They are brand new, and you can find them at MagicCreeper.com. That's the same place you can find the one, the only Magic Creeper. There are others out there, but they are imitations. Steer away from them. There is only one place to get the Magic Creeper. Buy one for yourself. They also make great gifts. Once again, MagicCreeper.com. We will return with more Motorhead Garage and more great products like this when we come back, so please stay tuned.